everybody, welcome. Today's workout is going to be a core finisher. We're going to need a stability ball and a mat. So press pause, grab all your tools, I'll meet you back here. Hey, now that you have all your tools, let's get started. The first one is the roll back. So our seconds are going to be 30 to 40 seconds. Roll back, that was our timer. And sit right back up into an I. Now you notice I'm not sticking my chest forward. When I come up to that I, you'll notice there's a straight line from my head to my butt. And link up your breath. Roll your tail under until your arms go straight. Pull it back up. Roll it under. Sit back up. Now roll it under, hold it right here for a couple of seconds. Come right back up. Knee folds, that was our timer. I'm gonna turn this up just so you can hear. Let's lay all the way down. Bring your right knee up. Pull your belly down, exhale as you lower. Bring the other one up. Exhale as you lower. Now you'll notice I'm not just letting gravity pull that leg down. I'm exhaling as the leg goes down, inhaling as the leg comes up. And breathe. All the while your back may have a little curve, but I want your tailbone down. The next one up is corkscrew. I promise I'll add some nice tunes into this workout so you can just follow along. Time, the corkscrew. Both knees are up, ankles level with your knees, knees level with your hips. Circle down, around and up. Keep your hips level when the timer goes. Down, around and up to the top. Stop one, reverse. Now when you do this, I don't want to see these big old hip swings. I want your hips staying nice and square. Your tail is touching the ground at all times. This is a small movement. Hug your ankles, hug your knees. There you go, link up your breath. Next one up, we have the frog crunch using the ball. All the while, keep your back down. Breathe, lower. All right, grab your ball, put it underneath your feet, hands are down. Bring your knees in and your feet are together. Crunch up and lower. Now your feet are just hanging out. They're nice and wide, like a little hip opener. Exhale on the up, inhale on the down. You feel your belly yet? Now, let your hands be a cradle for your head as you exhale. Remember, we're not in a rush. The timer's just there, so I don't have to count. Staring right down at your green ball or whatever ball you have. Time. Coming all the way up, we're gonna do the rollout. Come up to a kneeling position with your hands right on the ball, hips forward, eyes forward when the timer goes. We're gonna roll it out, hold, drag it back in. Roll it out, hips forward. What I don't want is the hips going all the way to the floor. No sagging backs. Drag it in. Check myself, make sure I'm still in the frame. All right. And my head's not cut off. I know the other time I shot a video, I did the whole thing and my head was cut off. Darn it, now I gotta shoot it again. Makes for a good workout. All right, how's your form? And release. Next one up is we got the ball pass. But before we go there, let's go the side leg crunch. Bring the ball to you, lean on it, and lift the leg up. and down. There we go. Now bring your other hand behind your head. Now lift the leg, do a little crunch. Do a little crunch, there you go. Keep your hip and your shoulders back so they're in a nice straight line. This is just a small crunch. 15 seconds, make it a small movement. If you want a bigger crunch, you can come up as you hug the ball. You pick which way is going to work best for you and time. Let's do the other side. Put your ball there, lay over it, put your leg out, lean into that ball, lift the leg first. Now your back toe can be flat. Pull the belly in, bring that shoulder back. And then you can add the hand behind the head, a little crunch. Now this one, don't collapse in that shoulder. Keep the elbow or the wrist away. Now if you want to make it bigger, come up a little and lower. Use that ball to help you. The bottom arm's hugging the ball. Don't lose your balance like I just did. Time. All right, lay all the way down. We got a figure 4 crunch. Get rid of your ball, put it on something. Right ankle over the left knee, hands behind the head, and crunch. Now I'm going left elbow to right knee that I have crossed over. There you go. Now, if you want to challenge yourself today, bring the leg up. Exhale as you come up. Choose what's going to work best for you. Maybe it's on the floor today, or maybe you're up here with me. One more. Time. Cross the left ankle over. I'm going to scoot over a little so I don't hit that ball. Hands behind the head. When the timer goes, we're going to crunch up, right elbow to left knee. Crunch it. There you go. Don't want to make it harder yet. You can stay up and work. But let's, for the sake of today, we're going to go down and up. All right. Bring that leg up if it's available. If not, you can always rest it on a ball until you're a little bit stronger, or leave the foot down. Do what's going to work best for you today. You know your body better than anybody. And breathe. Time. All right, lower that all the way down. We have the dead bug and the ball pass. Grab your ball. Put your knees up. Squish your hands forward. When the timer goes, right arm, left leg. And reach. Now you'll notice I'm doing it with bent knees. Keep pressing that ball and your knee together. Your back's gonna come up, that's fine. As long as your tail is down, you're good. Now, if you wanna make it a little harder, extend that lever. Reach the leg out. Now if it's getting into your low back, nope, go back to the bent knee version. Listen to that body of yours. And reach. Form is everything. Time. The ball pass. Bring it in between your shins. Put your hands behind you. When the timer goes, catch the ball. Go bent knees down. And let's go. Pass it off. Knees down bent. Come back up. Reach behind you. So your precision point, your tail is down. When your arms go over your head, your chest does not come up. Your head stays down because this is an intro version and low impact. Want to protect those joints. Pass it off. There you go. Find your rhythm. When the timer goes, we're gonna put the ball down. Time. Put it back on your little holster. Bridge with heel walkouts, and then swimming. So bridge, we lift up. We're gonna walk a heel out, walk the other one out, walk it back in, and lower. All right, you ready? Lift it up, walk it out. Now let's stay up here. Walk it in. Come on, 1 step out, 2 steps out, 3 in, 4 in. Oh, that hip wants to drop. Keep them up. Keep pushing into the floor. This is a toughie, but it's doable. Feel it in your quads, your butt, your hamstring. 1 step out each foot. Try to keep it level. And lower. Onto your belly, swimming. Arms out in front of you. Let's go right arm, left leg. When the timer goes. And lift it up. And lower. Up. And lower. Now, the precision points. You're trying to keep your pelvis square. No rocking and rolling. Last one. And lower. All right, let's press all the way back for a little rest. And come all the way up. Grab your ball. We're gonna sit on it for a little hamstring stretch. 1 leg out. Reach down. And now round your back. Come all the way up, straight back. Hinge forward, you're an I. Reach, round your back, you're a C. Come back up, you're an I. 1 more, hinge, round, roll it up, and change. Left leg, hinge, breath, round, stack it up. Again, hinge, round. Now it's mainly a rounding for your upper back. Sit up, and done. Both feet flat, round all the way forward. Arch your back, look forward. Big exhale, round and come up. Forward. Cow your back, round it, come up. Last one. Hinge. Cow your back, look up. Round your spine, look down, stack it up. Both feet wider, reach forward, put 1 hand on the ground, either a fist or flat. Take your right arm up in the sky and bring it back down. Right arm to the floor, left arm up and bring it back. Right arm out to a T, right arm down, left arm out to a T, lower all the way back down. Coming all the way up, bring your feet together, knees together. Grab your left knee with your right hand, a little twist. And the other side. Twist it so my left hand is pulling on my right knee. Forward. Bring your hands forward, round your spine. Sit up tall. Round your spine. Are you getting a pattern yet? Everything's either round or an I. Last one. Hands to the ball. Lean over to one side. Your feet can be wide, sitting up tall. Lean over to the other side. And up tall. 1 more to each direction. And lean it over. We don't get enough side bending in our bodies. All right, our last stretch is going to be out in front of us. Lunge forward. Put your elbows on the ball and just hold it here. Your back is straight. Your shoulders are away from your wrists. This is a great way to build your ground up. Coming back. Now take this hip, tighten the glute, and bring the left hip forward. And just get a nice little hip flexor. And the other side. Left foot forward. Roll it out. Find that comfortable position and pushing your right hip forward. Your left knee is opening out to the side. Bring it back in. And sit back for a little child's pose. Now, if you have bad knees, just hinge forward slightly. You can always put one hand on the ground. But really, this is like an upper back stretch. And if it's available, you can sit back a little bit and get a deeper stretch. Listen to your body. And release. High five. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully you had a great core workout at the end of your strength training day. Stick around, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of the music. Until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye.